Does Colorado computer support leverage the cloud? Very hot topic. And, the cloud is loved by some and terrified other people. And the aspect is, yes, we do use the cloud. We think the cloud has great tools and has phenomenal options, but we do understand it's not for everyone yet. So we do have companies and clients that leverage it and others who don't. And once again, it's just all about finding the needs and the fit to make sure it makes sense for your business and that we're implementing the right solution for you. So if you'd like to discuss more about the cloud or find about, hey, how can we go about not using the cloud still, but maybe get there someday in the future, we'd love to discuss that with you to find out how we can help lead you in that right direction. Feel free to give us a phone call. Our phone number here is 719-439-0599, or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Thank you so much.